I know during the pandemic, a lot of you have been investing a lot more. I see you. I see you. And maybe when you're scrolling around on your stock applications, you may have seen a word float up called an ETF. Well, today's video, we're going to talk about what an ETF is and how it's kind of created. What's up, moneymakers? I'm Brandon Young. I have taught hundreds of people how to make, save, and invest money through real estate, stocks, cryptocurrency, whatever it may be. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss a beat. Now, the acronym ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. And essentially, it's a fund that can be traded on the exchange like a stock. Go figure, it's in the name. Now, ETFs can give you the option to buy and sell assets without having you buy the individual components to those assets. So you can just buy them all together. So typically ETFs, they work like this. So the fund provider, they own the underlying assets. And what they do is they create a fund essentially to track their performance. But if you didn't understand, let me try to explain it in another 3 easy steps. Now, the ETF provider can consider a universe of freaking assets. Like, there's so many. And these assets, they can include stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies. And basically what happens, they put these into a basket and then they just give the basket a ticker name. Just like a stock, they would give a stock a ticker name, they give this ETF a ticker name. And then you, as an investor, you can go ahead and buy this basket just like you would buy a share of a company. You can buy one of these baskets of the ETF, just like you just buy the shares. It's essentially the same concept. And just like a stock, buyers and sellers, they go out throughout the day, they trade the ETF, they buy it, they sell it. It's essentially the same process just as you would do with the stock. It's just what it includes that is different. But have you bought an ETF? Have you sold the ETF? Let me know some of those ticker symbols. Let me see what you guys are buying. If you enjoy the knowledge that I'm providing in these videos, be sure to go ahead and leave a like and go subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.